Graph 1/2 and 1/6 on the number line. We're given a number line that's already broken down into 6 parts. So graphing the 1 point is actually going to be really easy. Here you are. Now 1/2, 1/2, is not so simple because this is not split into 2 equal parts. But we can do that. If I wanted to split 0 to 1 into 2 equal parts, here's one equal part and here's the other equal part. So 1/2 lives directly in between my 2 parts. So 1/2 would be right here, which happens to be 3/6. Which number is greater? Well, 3/6 is more to the right of the number line than 1/6, which means 3/6 is greater. And in our case, we're not going to write out 3/6. We're going to write out 1/2 because that was the number originally given to us. So that's our answer.